This is a house. There is a river with clean water flowing near the house. How can we direct water from the river into the house? How can we supply the house with water? This video uses 3D graphics to demonstrate one possible solution to this problem. This option is completely free, without the use of electricity or other energy sources. To do this, you need to assemble a water hammer pump and run water pipes from it to the house. This is a free energy water pump. This water can be purified and filtered, but this video will show the principle of water supply. It is very important that the pump is located below the level of the water source from which it will pump water. This pump uses the energy of a hydraulic shock that occurs in a one-way valve when it closes. Most of the water comes out through the shock valve. When the water flow reaches the one-way valve in the impact pump, the valve closes abruptly and a hydraulic shock occurs. The hydraulic shock creates a shock wave that propagates in the opposite direction. This shock wave pushes some of the flowing water into the upper reservoir, where there is also a one-way valve. The upper one-way valve prevents water from flowing back out of the reservoir, and the air at the top of the reservoir smooths out the pulsation of the water supply. When the shock wave travels in the opposite direction and pushes the water back, a vacuum is created in the area of the shock valve and the pressure drops sharply. As a result of the pressure drop, the shock valve opens and a new portion of water from the source repeats the process. This is how a hydraulic ram pump works. How to assemble a pump. The video shows which parts to use to assemble the pump. These are simple and inexpensive plumbing components and parts. One-way valves, elbows, and other threaded connections. This video shows the assembly of a triple hydraulic ram pump. It is simply 3 impact pumps combined into one. This significantly increases the pump's performance. It is desirable that the plumbing components and pipes in the pump be made of metal because the water pressure will be high. This is how a pump is assembled that works without electricity and pumps water without using any energy. Very useful and free. And this shows how water flows in a triple pump. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and write your opinion about this water supply option in the comments.